From a stolen BMW, flipping violently after multiple PIT attempts at over 100 miles per hour, to a suspect blasting past a school bus into oncoming traffic before a trooper ends it with one decisive hit. These are times when police pit leave no escape. But before we get started, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss the most intense police chases caught on camera. July 5th, 2025, Garland County, Arkansas. Just before 1 a.m., deputies begin chasing a blue BMW SUV reported stolen and speeding through the county. As the pursuit races south on Highway 128, Arkansas State Police are called in for assistance. Moments later, a trooper joins the chase and takes the lead. The suspect drives aggressively, swerving across lanes and slamming the brakes each time the trooper gets close. Every attempt to line up for a tactical vehicle intervention is met with sudden braking and unpredictable movements. The suspect clearly knows one thing: if the trooper gets close enough, it's over. The trooper tries several times to perform a pit maneuver, but the suspect skillfully avoids every attempt. A wild fight on the Arkansas County roads continues at dangerously high speeds. Finally, the trooper makes his move. The BMW flips violently into a ditch, completing a full rollover, while the trooper's unit also slides off the road and rolls onto its side. Despite the crash, deputies quickly move in and take the suspect Sean O'Brien into custody. He's transported to the Garland County Detention Center and charged with theft by receiving, fleeing, reckless driving, and several other offenses. Both the trooper and the suspect survived the crash, a reminder that when you run from the Arkansas State Police, they will stop you one way or another. Troop H Dispatch and local police receive a call from a nearby bank involving a suspect who tried to cash a forged check and fled the scene. Trooper Maroy and Lieutenant Smith locate the suspects at a gas station, but the moment patrol cars arrive, the driver hits the gas and the chase begins. The pursuit tears out of Boonville toward Magazine as speeds climb rapidly. Knowing backup from Troop J is ahead, the suspects push their car to the limit. As the trooper closes the distance, the suspect begins passing vehicles recklessly, willing to do whatever it takes to escape.
Passing right line. It's a temp tag, I can't read.
East of Magazine, Trooper Maroy sees his chance and lines up for a PIT maneuver. He executes the PIT at nearly 100 miles per hour, sending the vehicle spinning into the ditch before slamming into the trees and bursting into flames.
Fort Smith started EMS, they hit a tree, went up, hit them, car's on fire.
Troopers rush to the wreck and pull both suspects out, injured but conscious. They were armed but chose to comply and were taken into custody. They're lucky to be alive, and they learned the hard way why you never run from an Arkansas State Trooper. A black Chevy Silverado takes off from a traffic stop in the Van Buren area. Troopers are immediately notified. rental truck weaves through traffic and blows through intersections at alarming speeds. A trooper attempts to end the chase after a sharp left turn, but the suspect recovers and keeps fleeing.
Let's see if he'll slow down some and we'll just try to keep running.
Okay, we've fitted him out. He's got back on the roadway.
Trooper Prince soon takes over as primary.
Okay, roll over. Or correction, he got him pitted out. Pitted out.
People, fit it out a little more, Barry.
Inside the truck, troopers find a pregnant woman in the back seat and a male passenger in the front. The driver identifies himself as 30-year-old Robert Regal, though troopers believe he gave a fake name twice. The passenger, 32-year-old Shaffer Smith, is detained without incident. The woman tells troopers she had just met the men and admits to carrying weed in the car. Another chase with speeds topping 120 miles per hour, multiple lives at risk, and another reminder that no matter how fast you run, Arkansas State Police always catch up. April 10, 2020, Fort Smith, Arkansas. What began as a pursuit through Sebastian County would soon become one of the most tragic police chases in recent memory. Deputies chase a black pickup after it blows through multiple red lights and passes cars on the shoulder of US 71. Trooper Sean Ellis joins the pursuit as it moves north. Battenfield's driving grows increasingly reckless, swerving through intersections, using both shoulders, crossing into oncoming traffic.
You go right or left? We lead right. We're inbound off square.
Troopers hesitate to use a PIT due to the danger, but as the chase escalates, one thing becomes clear. It must end, and the PIT may be the only way.
You go right or left? We lead right. We're inbound off square.
As the suspect approaches heavy traffic, he weaves through vehicles with extreme recklessness. The lead trooper slows, allowing Trooper Michael to take over. Moments later, the trooper's unit collides with the passenger side of the pickup. Both vehicles leave the roadway, crash into a ditch, and flip violently.
Going ahead and start EMS.
Battenfield's vehicle overturns and he is pronounced dead at the scene. Trooper Ellis's patrol car goes airborne and lands heavily, leaving him with serious injuries. This was not just another pursuit. It was a split-second decision in a dangerous situation that ended in tragedy for everyone involved. A sobering reminder of how quickly high-speed chases can turn fatal. May 5, 2022, Arkansas. Troopers are alerted to a stolen white pickup. The suspect has been on the run for hours. When troopers finally spot the vehicle, the driver hits the gas immediately. As speeds climb past 100 miles per hour, the suspect blows past a school bus and crosses into oncoming traffic. The trooper closes the distance and commits to the PIT maneuver the moment he gets the chance. The suspect is stopped after the high-speed pit, but the trooper's car also veers into a ditch.
We're really trying to get him over. We got him pitted out, Fort Smith.
We're good again.
The trooper confirms he's okay and urges units to focus on the arrest. The driver is taken into custody and later tells troopers he enjoyed driving the truck and had no regrets. Hopefully, a trip to jail changes his mind.
You go right or left? Relay right. Relay right.
And that wraps up today's breakdown of some of the most intense PIT maneuvers caught on camera. These officers made split-second decisions to stop dangerous pursuits before innocent lives were put at even greater risk. What do you think? Were these PITs necessary? Or should troopers have used different tactics? Drop your opinion in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the next high-speed pursuit we upload. See you in the next one.